Hi, this is Universe Addicted. Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, this is Universe Addicted. In earlier videos we have seen about one of the important objects in the universe, stars. How they form, what are their stages and more about it. In today's video we gonna see about their siblings.
Oh, siblings, who are they?
Wait, I will answer. Planets are the siblings of a star. They have formed from the same molecular cloud was the star formed. So is like our siblings, the star also has their siblings. So in this video we gonna see about the planetary formation in the solar system. Before getting into the video, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Planets are formed from the protoplanetary disk, a disk of gas and dust swirling around a protostar. Our solar system formed 4.5 billion years ago from the solar nebula, where the fragment of a giant molecular cloud collapses and forms a protostar, where the remaining gas and dust swirl around the protostar. Then the gas and dust were clumps up together up to 100 to 200 meters in diameter and forms the planetesimals. It is a solid objects formed from the protoplanetary disk. Once the planetesimals forms, the small clumps of solid objects collide to form the larger bodies up to 10 kilometers in size. Then these objects further collide and forms the larger objects. By this method the planets in the inner solar system forms. The inner solar system as a region within 4 astronomical units. Within this distance the water and volatile molecules easily condensed. So the terrestrial planets are formed from the compounds with high melting points such as iron, nickel and other rocky elements. These elements are formed from the previous star, which exploded as a supernova and leave a solar nebula. Once the terrestrial planets attained a certain masses, they ceased to accumulate the remaining matter. Further the accumulation of matter and collision of planetesimals, the terrestrial planets grew and attained their present size. In the same time the terrestrial planets were forming, the remaining disk of gas and dust was partially supported by the pressure. Due to this they did not orbit the Sun rapidly, which led to the dragging and gravitational interaction with surrounding materials. Once the excess material coalesced into a larger mass, which led the core to accumulate more material in the increasing rate. Once the mass reaches certain level it stops accumulating mass. In this way Jupiter forms. In the similar manner Saturn also formed after a few million years after the Jupiter. Due to the large consumption of hydrogen and helium gases by Jupiter, Saturn is only less gas to consume. While Sun reaches the T-Tauri phase it produces a strong stellar wind, which blown away remaining gas material. This leads to the formation of Uranus and Neptune. But these gas giants accumulate little hydrogen and helium, not more than 1 Earth mass. Because most of the gases are consumed by Jupiter and Saturn. After formation of planets, Sun produces a strong solar wind between 3 to 10 million years. This wind cleared away all the gases and dust in the protoplanetary disk, blowing it into the interstellar space, thus ending the growth of the planet. By this way planets are formed around the solar system. To know more about the planetary formation, astronomers uses the telescopes to examine the star formation region. In recent times astronomers found a planetary formation region around a young star AB Aurigae, which is 520 light-years away from the Earth in the constellation Aurigae, which gives the evidence for the theoretical model of planetary formation. So now we have come to the end of the video. If you any suggestions drop down in the comment section. If you love the video like, share and comment.